you can actually earn even up to $1,000 a month. It all depends on how much commitment you're willing to give to the things I will share with you. Now, before I go into the opportunities, all you need is to be able to speak English language. So if you're a native English speaker or you have a good control of English language, then these opportunities are for you. So I'll be sharing with you some websites where you can actually sign up on and earn money by speaking English. Okay, so but before I go into that, let me talk about the inspiration behind this video, what actually prompted me to make this video. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Ennis Oloronyekpa. I'm a public speaker and an IELTS coach. I want to welcome you to this channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment on the videos, and of course share with your friends. Alright, so one thing I do on this channel is to bring you amazing content that will add value to you. I want those who are subscribed to my channel or who are watching my videos to learn something and of course to benefit from the channel. So this video today is about something new that came my way, an opportunity, and I thought to share with every one of you to take advantage of it if you want to. Okay, so the caption of the video is how to earn as high as $500 a month. Now here's the thing, you can actually earn even up to $1,000 a month. It all depends on how much commitment you're willing to give to the things I will share with you. Now before I go into the opportunities, all you need is to be able to speak English language. So if you're a native English speaker or you have a good control of English language, then these opportunities are for you. So I'll be sharing with you some websites where you can actually sign up on and earn money by speaking English. Okay, so but before I go into that, let me talk about the inspiration behind this video, what actually prompted me to make this video. The reason is TESOL, T-E-S-O-L. So I became an affiliate with one of the organizations that issues TESOL certificates, and I have a discount, up to 40% discount for those who use my affiliate link. So I thought to share the opportunity with you so you can take advantage of it. Now, what is TESOL? TESOL stands for Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. You know, in the world, we have more non-English speakers than English speakers. English speakers are just a small fraction compared to those who do not speak English language. So there's a need. The need is huge. Many people want to learn English language, from China to Japan to India and other countries of the world. And the good thing is that you don't need to leave your home. You don't have to leave your home to actually earn. So you work remotely. So online you teach, you speak, and then you earn. So before I give you the websites and these platforms where you can actually earn from, so some just require you to speak, that means communicate with those who want to improve their English, and some require you to teach. You're given the materials and all you have to do is to follow the materials and then teach and you earn. But before I go into that, let me talk about TESOL, the reason why I made this video. So why do some people earn more than others? There are those who have taught online or are even teaching online right now, and they're earning very little from it. But there are those who earn more. And one of the reasons is the qualifications. So if you are a native speaker and you don't have any qualification, you can still earn. But if you want to earn more, then you are required to produce some certificates. And one of the most common certification course is TESOL, which is why I want you to take advantage of this opportunity to actually sign up and then get the certificate and be qualified to earn as much as you want from teaching English. At the end of this video, I will tell you how to use the affiliate link and get the percentage of it and receive your TESOL certificate and start earning big from online English tutoring. Now I will share the website with you where you can actually earn. Now for all of the websites, there are some basic requirements like having a good internet connection, a good lighting, a good background. I mean, just a clear background, not distracting background. A good microphone on your device, maybe a laptop, a webcam. So if your laptop has a camera, you're good to go. Then headphones, so you can use your normal earpiece. The whole idea is for you to get good audio, so those you're communicating with can hear you properly. So the first website is called PiersEDU, P-E-E-R-S-E-D-U. So it used to be called the Talk List, but there's a new name now. So on this website, you can sign up and as a teacher. So what I'm going to encourage you to do is, for all of the websites, you can actually read up reviews and then look at the ones that suit you the most. So you will find, and of course you can sign up even on more than one if you have the capacity and the time to handle more than one teaching platform. So the first one is PiersEDU.com. Another website is Cambly, C-A-M-B-L-Y. So Cambly doesn't require any experience, and the same thing, basic requirements. So just by speaking English on Cambly, you can actually get connected with those who just want to speak. That means you're not teaching them anything, but they want to practice their English. And for each of these classes that you put in, each of the hours you put in, you actually earn money. Another platform is Teachengo.com. So Engo is spelled E-N-G-O-O.com. So the same thing, you sign up and you get paid. So like I said, read up reviews on each of them, and then you know the best one for you that suits your time. For example, on Teachengo.com, I taught there some years ago. It used to be called Bibo, B-I-B-O, but now Bibo Global, but now they have a new name. And I earned about $300 a month, but I knew those who earned up to $1,000 a month at that time, because they gave more commitment, more of their time to the classes. So it all depends on how much time you're willing to give. If you take it as a full-time job, trust me, you will earn a lot. And if you take it as a part-time job, you will earn, but of course not as high as someone who committed or dedicated more time to it. Now the next three websites are for kids. So if you take interest in teaching kids, you love to interact with kids, then these three, or one of these three, might just be for you. The first one is VIP Kid. The next one is GoGoKids. And the third one for kids is Q Kids. So letter Q, Kids. So any of these three, you can interact with kids, teach them, and of course you get paid. So if you, like I said, preferences. So if you love to interact with kids, one of these three might just be the perfect platform for you. The next one is Dada ABC, DADAABC.com. So that's also a good website. I know those who make a lot of money on that website, so that can be a good one for you as well. Another one is itutorgroup.com, itutorgroup.com. That's another platform that can be useful to you. Then there is Allo7 Online Tutoring. Allo is spelled A-L-O-7, the number 7, online tutoring. Also there is 51 Talk, 51 Talk. Then you have Hujiang. So this Chinese, I think it's Chinese website, HUJIANG.com. And also there is Bookie.com, B-U-K-I, bookie.com.ua. So now that you know all these platforms, what you need to do is to act. But remember, I told you at the beginning of the video that the reason I made this video was TESOL, because I got an affiliate with one of the companies that issues TESOL certificate, and you can actually get up to 40% discount in acquiring your TESOL certificate to give you an edge. Now imagine an industry like this where you have so many English speakers and people who are willing to teach or earn from their English speaking. You can imagine how high the competition is. That's why I'm encouraging you to get your TESOL certificate and register to give you an edge above other people, so you can earn more on any of these platforms. So what you need to do is to check the description below. You will find the link, the affiliate link. Once you sign up with that link, you'll be getting up to 40% discount on your TESOL certificate. So tell someone who knows someone that is willing to teach English or already earning from speaking English, or who you know desires to get their TESOL certificate, that they can get it at a cheaper price using the link in the description below. And in case you're yet to start earning from your English speaking, what are you waiting for? This video is coming at the perfect time for you to actually take action and begin to earn. So if you enjoyed this video and you love me to make more videos like this, sharing with you opportunities that can help you to earn better, to improve your life, please let me know in the comment section, and also let me know if you have any questions regarding any of the things I discussed in the video, the website or the TESOL certificate, the link. Please leave in the comment below and I'll be glad to answer all your questions. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. God bless you.